So as you can see, the television seems to be pegged at 100% volume for some reason. You can see the red light there is flickering rapidly. What I suspect is there's probably some sort of issue with the connection with the buttons on the side. We don't have the remote for this, so it's certainly not a remote control issue. So what I'm going to do is take it down and see if there's anything that stands out and see if we can fix it. So I'm guessing there's something wrong here. These buttons have been screwing up for a little while, so let's see what happens. I'm going to disconnect this if I can. Then plug the TV and turn it on. See where that stupid light keeps flickering. Okay. Doesn't seem like there's a lot to that, does there? Okay, there's a 50-50 chance I'll electrocute myself here, so let's see what happens. This is the power one. Yep. You can see it's still pegged at 100. Let's see what happens if I disconnect this thing. Aha! So we know there's a problem with this. Okay, I just got my old Harmony remote, kept this thing disconnected and used it to turn the TV on and off. Everything works fine, so obviously there's an issue with this. So I guess what I'm going to do is order a new part if I can find it, and meanwhile I'll just put it all back together and leave this thing disconnected, and I'll take it apart next time and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here's the new part. Got it off eBay for 20 bucks. So let's see. And hopefully you can see that. Hopefully it's the same part, so we'll give it a crack. Now I'll let this disconnected so it should easily come out. Hopefully you can see there's the connection. So it looks like you end up keeping the button part of it, but apparently this back bit comes off. So I'll try and figure that out. I feel like the way to do it is to raise these clips on top here. Get there? Ah, there you go. That's the old one. Hopefully you can see that. Now, apparently this is the new and improved version. Or at least that's what it says on the eBay site. So hopefully you can see that. That's the new one. It's got green buttons. This one's got sort of, I don't know, white, yellow buttons. That's the dud. Obviously it's got green buttons and that black connector, so it must be better. So we'll check it out. Okay. So I'm going to put this piece into this piece. Feels good. Alright, let's put it back in and see what happens. power button. At least the volume's not going crazy now. There we go. Looks like it works to me.